Hi everyone, it's Michelle and welcome back to my channel. I post new travel and luxury videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. Today I'll be doing a what fits inside my Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. It's the newest addition to my collection and currently retails for $350. It measures 5.5 by 3.5 by 0.8 inches and is the perfect catch-all piece. I store this smaller pouch in larger bags like my Montaigne BB and Speedy, but it can also be carried in the hand using the chain and hook attachment. This one was one of the harder pieces for me to find, and I was really lucky to find it in stock online. Now let's see what can fit inside this small but very spacious pouch. So first I'm going to put some everyday essentials. I have some sunscreen. I have a lip gloss. I also have Summer Friday's jet lag mask and a lip balm. I also put some tweezers in here too. And as you can see, it fits very nicely inside the Mini Pochette. The Mini Pochette can also fit my vlogging camera, the Canon G7X. I probably wouldn't use the Mini Pochette as a carrying case for my camera. It's cute, but does not offer much protection. If you are interested though, the Mini Pochette can fit a small camera. So next, here are a couple of combinations with a passport. So first I'm going to put my passport in. And then here I'm putting in a compact wallet. This one is the Louis Vuitton Envelope de Carte Visite. And these two items fit very well inside. So now I'm going to take my wallet out and put inside my Louis Vuitton key pouch and my card holder, and also put in some cash. And these four items fit in perfectly as well. So now I'll be seeing what kind of makeup fits inside my Mini Pochette. So first I'll be putting in my powder compact and blush. I'll also be putting in a travel size primer water and a full size lip gloss and eyeliner. And these 5 items fit nicely inside the Mini Pochette. So next I'm going to put in some office supplies that I would usually carry inside my purse. First I have a stack of Post-its, whiteout, a pen, and also a highlighter. So as you can see, there still is a lot of extra space left. Right now, I will show you what it looks like when I add in my Apple AirPods to fill in the extra space. So lastly, I'm going to share with you what it looks like with some antibacterial wet wipes and a pack of Tylenol. And as you can see, when I zip it up, it is bulging out a little bit, but that's the great thing about the Mini Pochette in that the canvas is very flexible. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what fits inside the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. It really is small but very spacious. If you have any other questions about what else could fit, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!